Hello everyone, and welcome to this presentation come performance on Himachali folk music, especially the music of the Kangra and Chamba valleys. I am Siddharth Pandey, and I am a writer and artist hailing from Shimla Himalayas. And here's my mother, Anita Pandey, and she is a folk artist, educationist, and poet from Kangra. And together we have been researching this particular topic for the past several years now, and what drew us to it was the inherent musicality of the Western Himalayas, especially the Kangra and Chamba valleys. As it is often said that there is hardly any event that doesn't, or event or occasion or activity, even everyday activities that don't have all of these rituals basically have some kind of a song or a musical number attached to them. And all of these, all of this music has taken birth under the shadow of the mighty Dholadhas, which is the main landform that dominates that particular region. And the key indigenous tribe, society that has been dwelling in this particular region and has been the carrier of all of these songs is the Gaddi community, which for millennia has been embodying and transferring and taking along with their journeys these particular songs from Chamba to Kangra and from Kangra to Chamba. So without further ado, we have selected around 7 songs, but not entire songs because that would run too long, but certain snippets or excerpts from those particular songs that will give you a basic idea or an introduction of the variety of facets that that folk music in general covers. So from say celebrating the everyday beauty of landscape to environmental aspects, to songs of tragedy and romance, to ideas of longing and desire and distances and religiosity. All such aspects are vividly covered by these evocative musical numbers. So the first song is Jina Kangreda, and as the title is self-explanatory, it celebrates the life and everyday dwelling of the Kangra Valley, and is basically sung by the Gaddis and Gaddans who live there and with their flocks and lead a simple but highly fulfilling life. So from Kangra we move on to Chamba Valley, and from the celebratory tone we move to a very tragic one actually, as this particular song refers to the romance of Kunju and Chanchalo. As many folk songs across India would attest to, romances are usually tragic in nature, and here too the couple, Kunju and Chanchalo, they eventually are unable to marry each other. And the interesting facet about this particular song is that it refers to the landscape of Chamba, especially to its Chandi, which is silver, and to its Chaugan, which is the main field that dominates that particular region. And eventually, as the lovers get separated because Chanchalo gets married elsewhere, Kunju still believes that he can and would love to meet her within the Chogan of Chamba. So that's what this song documents. So we remain in the Chamba Valley and move on to another song which celebrates the beauty and the ferociousness of the river Ravi, the main river that flows through that particular landscape. So speaking of Ravi, as many of you would be knowing, Himachal and many of these high places in the Himalayas have been subjected to a lot of modernization, especially through the building of dams. And a couple of decades ago, in a village called Surgani, in Chamba Valley, a major dam came up, and this particular song documents that sense of modernization and also that sense of ambiguity and contradictions that came to define the people living there and working for that particular dam. And it's an interesting song, especially an important song, because it shows that folk songs don't remain static and that they even document the various changes that keep happening across the passage of time.
स्टाइल है वो चेंज हो रहा है। पहले जो लोग चंबा की चप्पल बनाने में समय लगाते थे, चंबा की शॉल बनाने में समय लगाते थे, या चांदी के गहने बनाने में समय लगाते थे, और ये सारे उनके कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज के दौरान के थ्रू आता था। लेकिन अब उन्हें ये डैम वगैरह बनने की जगह उन्हें नौकरियां मिलने लगी हैं, और बहुत से लोग जो हैं वो नौकरियों में जाने लगे हैं, और उनका लाइफस्टाइल अब बदल रहा है। और उसका वो बताते हैं कि किस तरह से अब उन्हें थकान हो जाती है। सड़क बनानी कैंची मोड़ लगदा, सड़क बनानी कैंची मोड़ लगदा, झबल उठानी मेरा लक दुखदा, जुंग गाड़ी बड़ा डैम बनेया, पहले थी पहाड़ी
Two songs are we call them messenger songs, but you can give any title to them. And these songs are usually sung by the women who are living quite far off from their husbands or partners, who are usually a forest guard or forest officials or army personnel working somewhere in the high reaches of the Himalayas. And in the first song, a woman is singing to a common crow in order to and asking her, requesting it to deliver a message to her husband, who is working in Shimla, and requesting him to bring a particular black dress called Kali Ghagri. And in the second one, again, another woman is requesting a person from the Gujar community to deliver her message to her husband or partner, who is a forest guard. second song is, as I was saying, about a woman who is singing to a member of the Gujar community. Interestingly, this song is also sung by the Gaddi community, and she is requesting him to connect to her lover, the forest guard. So we finally approached the seventh song, which is called Shiv Kailasho Ke Vasi, and this one is a special song, and also quite a unique one, in the sense that here a Gaddi shepherd who is going to the Mani Mahesh Kailash within that particular region is imagining Shiva not only for requesting Shiva not only for his blessings, but also imagining him in his own image, that is, in the image of a shepherd. So as the song progresses, it documents the 6 padao or junctures or spots through which this Gaddi shepherd passes, and through which Shiva also passes. So therefore, a certain sort of a humanization of a divine entity is shown here, and we'll be concluding this presentation with this particular song.
शिव कैलाशों के वासी धौली धारों के राजा शंकर संकट हरना हो भोले बाबा शंकर संकट हरना। शिव जी चमेरे चुगाना दूजा लगा भर मोरा ओ भोले बाबा दूजा लगा भर मोरा। तीजा का डेरा शिव जी हर सर था, चौथा लगा धड़ छौआ ओ भोले बाबा चौथा लगा धड़ छौआ। पंजोआ मेरा शिव जी गौरी कुंड लाया, छठुआ तेरा कैलासा ओ भोले बाबा